Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Instagram Superzoom. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture on top left corner to add a story. On the left hand side tap on the arrow icon and tap on Superzoom. In the Superzoom feature there are many options. You can select any one of these. I'll just select one and then touch and hold the record button. Once you release the record button, the recording will stop. And here you will see the preview. Now tap on Send To and then share it to your story. And that's how you can use the Instagram Superzoom. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.